Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss expansion exercise 4a. We are going to continue the problems. The 11th one, if a minus 1 by a is equal to 8 and a is not equal to 0, we need to find a plus 1 by a. The second sub question, a square minus 1 by a square. Solution. Here given a minus 1 by a is equal to 8 and here we need to find a plus 1 by a and a square minus 1 by a square. So to find a plus 1 by a, first we need to find here a square plus 1 by a square value. So to get this value, just I am going to take squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 8 square. So here the formula a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 is the formula for a minus 1 by a whole square. 8 square it is 64. So a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 64. When you shift here minus 2 to the opposite side, it will become plus 2. So here we are going to get a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 66. Now here we need to find the first sub question. A plus 1 by a is equal to, directly if you apply this value, we are not going to get the value here to find a plus 1 by a. So I am going to take square. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square. When you have here plus, you will get the value plus 2. So a square plus 1 by a square value it is 66. 66 plus 2 it is 68. So a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 68. So a plus 1 by a is equal to, when you shift this square to the opposite side, it will become square root plus or minus root of 68 you will get. So further if you simplify this value, a plus 1 by a is equal to, this 68 we can write it as 4 into 17 is equal to 68 we will get. So just I am going to write plus or minus root of 4 into 17. So this 4 I can bring out because it is a square number. A plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus 2 into root 17. So this is the final answer. Next we need to find here the second sub question, a square minus 1 by a square. The formula here, a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a value it is plus or minus 2 root 17. So a minus 1 by a value it is 8. So when you multiply here, what you will get, plus or minus. Here just we need to multiply the numbers. 8 into 2 it is 16 root 17. So this is the final answer for a square minus 1 by a square is equal to plus or minus 16 root 17. Okay, now here the 13th one, if a square minus 5a minus 1 is equal to 0 and they have given here a is not equal to 0, we need to find a minus 1 by a, first sub question. Second we have a plus 1 by a. Third we have a square minus 1 by a square. So here the solution, just I am going to write the equation here. A square minus 5a minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to convert this expression in the form of a minus 1 by a, or we need to find it as a plus 1 by a. In these two conditions we will get any one. Let me see here what we will get. So first what I am doing here, let it be this a square minus 5a. When you shift minus 1 to the opposite side, it will become plus 1. So I can take common here a. So when I take a common, the leftover a minus 5 is equal to 1. So this a, it is in multiplication. So when it comes to the opposite side, it will become division. So we will get 1 by a. Now a, when you shift here this 1 by a to the opposite side, we are going to get minus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a is equal to, so this minus 5 it is going to become here it plus 5. So we got the value in the form of a minus 1 by a is equal to 5 we got. Okay, we found the first sub question. Then we need to move to the second one. The second one we need to find a minus a plus 1 by a. To find a plus 1 by a, before that we have to find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. So what we need to do? Here we got the equation, right? A minus 1 by a. The first expression. This is the first answer. So this first expression we are going to take squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So when you take squaring on both sides, here we are going to get a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 5 square. So the formula a square plus 1 by a square, we have minus here. So you will get a minus 2 is equal to 5 square, it is 25. So finally we got a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 25. When you shift this minus 2 to the opposite side, here it will become plus 2. A square plus 1 by a square is equal to 27. Next we need to find here the second sub question. It is nothing but a plus 1 by a. Directly we are not getting the answer. So just we need to take square. So when you take a plus 1 by a whole square, the formula it is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 we'll get. It is nothing but 27 plus 2. So we got here it is 29. So a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 29. So when you are shifting this square to the opposite side, here it will become square root. So I can write a plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus root 29. Now we need to find here a square minus 1 by a square. The formula it is a plus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. So here a minus 1 by a value it is, we have 5. So I can write here 5 into a plus 1 by a, it is plus or minus root 29. And we got a minus 1 by a value it is 5. So when you multiply here, we are going to get the answer a square minus 1 by a square is equal to plus or minus 5 root 29. So this is a final answer. Therefore, the first question a minus 1 by a is equal to 5 we got. The second sub question a plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus root 29. So the third one a square minus 1 by a square is equal to plus or minus 5 root 29. So we found all the three sub answers. Okay, now next we'll move to next one. So here the 14th one, if 3x plus 4y is equal to 16 and xy value we have here it is 4, we need to find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. Actually the given equation it is nothing but 3x plus 4y is equal to 16. Now if you look at this, we need to find out the value of 9x square plus 16y square. So 3 square the value it is 9 and x square value it is x square plus 4 square it is 16, y square the value it is square. So in this the given expression, just if you take, when you take squaring on both sides, we are going to get here 3x plus 4y whole square is equal to 16 square. So a plus b whole square formula. So 3x whole square plus 4y whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. So a we have 3x, b we have 4y is equal to 16 square, it is 256. So here 3x square, this square it is common for both the value and as well as the variable. So I can write here 9x square, 4 square it is 16, y square it is y square plus Here just you need to multiply 2 into 3, it is 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So we got here 24xy is equal to 256. 9x square plus 16y square plus 24 into, we have that xy value, it is going to be 4. So I can substitute here 4 is equal to 256. 9x square plus 16y square plus 4 4s are 16, 6, a remainder 1, 4 2s are 8, 96 is equal to 256. So further if we simplify, 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 256. When you shift this plus 96 to the opposite side, it will become minus 96. So if you subtract, you are going to get 6 minus 6, the value it is 0. 25 9, if you subtract 16, so 160 is the answer. 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 160. This is the final answer. Here the 15th one, the number x is 2 more than the number y if the sum of their squares of x and y is 34. They have given, find the product of x and y. So just I am going to write the given conditions. Solution, given the number x is, so x is equal to, in the place of is, just I am going to put here equal to sign. X is 2 more than the number y. So 2 more than means just you need to add here. So you will get y plus 2. So x it is going to be 2 more than y. So we got here, this is equation 1. And the second one, if the sum of the squares of x and y is, so sum of the squares of x and y, it is nothing but 34. So I can write here sum of x square plus y square is equal to 34. So this is the second expression they have given. And we need to find here, find the product of x and y. It means we need to find out the value of x, y. So all these given conditions, by using these conditions we are going to solve the problems. So here the first one, we have x is equal to y minus 2. So this given expression, just I am going to shift that y to the opposite side. So when you shift, we are going to get the equation like this: x minus y is equal to 2. And we have x square plus y square is equal to 34. So easily we can find xy when you take squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So when you take squaring on both sides, x minus y whole square is equal to 2 square will get. So the formula a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a it is nothing but x, b it is y, is equal to 2 square value it is 4. So x square plus y square, the value it is 34. So I can write here 34 minus 2xy is equal to 4. So when you shift here 2xy to the opposite side, what it will become plus. So this plus 4 I will shift here. So here 34, this plus 4 when you shift to the opposite side, it will be minus 4 is equal to this minus 2xy. When you shift to the opposite side, it will become plus 2xy. So here we got 34 minus 4, it is 30 is equal to 2xy. So you need to find xy. So when you shift this 2 to the opposite side, it will become 30 divided by 2. So xy value is equal to, we'll get here 1 2 is to 15 2s are 30. So xy is equal to 15 is the answer. The product of x and y, the value it is 15. So we got that value. Next we'll move to the next one. The 16th one, they have given the difference between two positive numbers is 5. Let x and y be the two positive numbers. X and y be the two positive numbers. and difference. So when they have given here the difference, so difference it is nothing but, so here the difference it is nothing but x minus y, the value here it is 5, and the sum of their squares. So the sum of their squares means, so here we have x and y, right? So x and y is the numbers, so sum of their squares means x square plus y square, the value it is 73. We need to find out the product of these numbers, so we need to find product of x and y. It is nothing but we need to find out the value of xy. So here the first they have given x minus y is equal to 5. I am taking this expression and just I am going to square it. X minus y is equal to 5. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So when you take squaring on both sides, you are going to get x minus y whole square is equal to 5 square. X square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 25. So x square plus y square, the value we have here it is 73. So I can substitute 73 minus 2xy is equal to 25. Here 73, when you shift this plus 25 to the opposite side, here it will become minus 25. And the next, when you have here minus 2xy to the opposite side, it will become plus 2xy. So finally we got here 73 minus 25. So 13 minus 5 it is 8. 6 minus 2 it is 48. 48 is equal to 2xy. 48 divided by 2. When you shift this 2 to the opposite side, multiplication, here it will become division. So the leftover only xy. So xy is equal to, when you cancel 1 2 is 2, 24 2s are 48 you will get. 2 and 48 you will get the answer as 24. So xy, the value here it is 24. The product of two numbers. Therefore the product of x and y is 24. This is the final answer.